I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by readying both devices. Charge them and connect to the same stable Wi-Fi, or have a USB-C cable ready for a faster wired move. Open Samsung Smart Switch on both phones and sign into your Google and Samsung account so accounts and app licenses transfer cleanly. Next, choose what to move. Pick contacts, photos, messages, apps, and settings, because selecting only needed items shortens transfer time. Once set, tap Send on the old phone and Receive on the new one to begin. Once the connection is established, pick the transfer method that suits you: wireless for convenience, USB cable for speed, or SD card for offline copying. In Smart Switch, carefully check boxes for data types to include or exclude. For example, skip large videos if you want a quicker move. During transfer, watch the progress bar and keep both devices unlocked and on screen so the process isn't interrupted by sleep. If prompted, allow permissions like contacts and storage so files move without blocking. When transfer finishes, confirm that accounts, contacts, and calendar show synced data. Re-sign into Google, Samsung, and any banking apps to restore secure access. Launch your main apps to let them complete background restores and download any missing app data. Then check photos and messages for completeness. If something didn't move, a quick fix is to reboot both phones, update Smart Switch to the latest version, and retry using a USB cable. That often resolves connectivity or permission issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.